Hi Joe, how are you? Just look at this mess, I need your help. My hair needs you.
Welcome, Kira, to Nazi Education Center. Upset from your hair. Just tell me what happened.
My hair gave me a lot of stress. It's very dry, and it began when I was pregnant. And my hair was falling off, and it was dry, no shine, like no life in my hair at all. At that time, I started taking vitamins, but obviously it's not enough.
Okay, so how long you deliver?
It's been 2 months.
Okay, cool.
But still, it's like same.
You know, like after checking your hair, looking at your hair, I feel like because you have done many chemical stuff before, like the lightening and the highlight and all the colors. So your hair, you know, it's need really like a treatment that can reconnect the bonds and make the hair more stronger. So today I will give you amazing treatment here from EgoBond. So what is doing basically this treatment? It's reconnecting the bonds in your hair, so the hair is getting to be more stronger. As well, we have hydration to make the hair more softer at the same time. So how it's working? So here I'm using for you step number 1. It's a bond booster. So mixing 10 ml of step number 1 with 15 ml of step number 2 is a bond setter. So we mix it, we apply on towel dry hair, we wait 10 minutes. After that, on the top we are going to apply step number 3. It's the bond locker to lock the treatment inside of the hair and make the hair soft and beautiful. So are you ready for that?
Of course, that looks interesting.
Yes, so let's restart, then apply the treatment for we just done doing your hair, so just tell us a little bit about your experience and how the hair it feels.
My experience is amazing. I'm feeling like I'm a queen or just like I came from a fashion show. But my hair is shiny because of it's healthy, not because of a lot of shiny products.
That's cool.
Yeah, and it feels like my hair is full of life. I used to make treatment before, but my hair was flat and heavy, but now it's just very light and I really like it.
Thank you so much. Enjoy your hair. So now you are going to use the shampoo and the conditioner, the one that I recommend for you. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you guys. Thank you for watching us.